Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I have an Ipsy unboxing. This is my very first Ipsy subscription. I decided in 2026 that I was going to do a subscription box and I went with Ipsy. And it was such perfect timing because one night I'm scrolling on Facebook and I see that Ipsy had a promotion. I think it was at the end of December, after Christmas. I do believe it was after Christmas, or was it a little bit before Christmas? It doesn't matter. It was late December, and they had a promotion where they said the first box would be $4. And I thought, oh wow, okay, and I had already had it in my head that I was gonna look into a subscription box. So I decided to go ahead and try it. And when I went into, I answered all the questions, and when I went into pick the subscription, I realized that it was for the deluxe samples. The next tier was a sale for $22 for 5 full samples. And then the other one, I don't remember what the other one was, but I ended up going with the $22 one because I think regularly that one is what, 30, 32, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But it was in the 30s. And I thought, well, for $22, I'll go ahead and try it. So, what I liked about it, and I know you guys know all this stuff, I know, you get to pick things that to add on for a good price. And I saw Drunk Elephant and I saw really good products that I already have tried, like Glow Recipe, and absolutely love. But I did pick an extra. I did pick an extra, so I will share with you what that is here. Okay, so the Year of Yes. Oh, I love that eyeshadow look. The Year of Yes. All right, let's go ahead and, okay, I got a Glow Recipe. Water Glow AHA Night Treatment. Oh, night treatment. Okay, I have a Glow Recipe right now on the go. And I'm going to show you two things that I picked up, and you're going to see this. But anyway, I don't have the night treatment. I found a little one at TJ Maxx, a little moisturizing one for $12 that I picked up, but it's small. Let me see if this is bigger than the one that I had from TJ Maxx. Oh yeah, this is definitely bigger. I'm gonna haul something for you guys right now. So already this is well worth the money. $22 I paid for this box. I know these go for, up there in range. So already. All right, I got the Soft Pinch Blush Liquid Fairs Rare Beauty. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Blush. This is in Virtue. So was it Black Friday? Sephora had her trio. Actually, it was a trio. It was the powdered blush, and something else. I don't remember. Because I've been wanting to try her liquid blushes or her cream blushes. And this is something I wanted to do for 2026, was get more of the cream blushes. And Rare Beauty is the brand that I wanted to try more of. And this is not the color I got in the Sephora sale. I think it was Wish, I think it was. So this is Virtue. You know what, let me swatch it. Let me swatch it. I can't believe it. So far, so amazing. Two things already that I can't believe I got. All right, Batty Lash Mascara from Kulfi. Okay, I got a couple on the go right now. I definitely won't be opening this one up anytime soon. I do have like 3 on the go right now. So let me get this off my hand. I'll be right back. All right, the next one is Wander Beauty on the Glow Blush and Illuminator. This is in Dusk and Nude Glow. And I've seen this on the Sephora website a lot. And oh my gosh, this is what, I'm not lying, you guys. Oh my gosh, I seen this on sale on the Sephora website, okay? And my shades, the one that I wanted, was gone. Oh my gosh. So it's a blush and illuminator. This is exactly what I wanted. and the blush. The last thing is, I think, no, actually no, wait. There should have been an extra one. Is this it? No. I'm gonna have to check because I ordered a primer and I don't see it. Anyway, I got a Chica Beauty matte black liquid eyeliner. Okay, that's good, in black. I prefer liquid liners. Very nice. Okay, but I am definitely missing, and I bought it for $6 as an add-on, so I hope they're good about resolving, you know, issues. And I got this, the Professional primer, and I've had this before in the past. It's a little one. So that was everything I got in the box. I don't see anything else. So I have to see what happened. I ordered a primer. Anyway, I want to show you a couple of things that I got on the side. Off Amazon, I bought these Q-tips. And these are the, let's see. These are the Precision, I can never say that word, tip cotton swabs. 800 piece double pointed. And I had 4 came in here, but I gave one to my daughter. And then they come in their individual pouches. And it's the ones with the pointed ends. And these are sturdy, okay? I went to go take off a little bit of a liner mess that I did, and I poked my eyeball. These are like very pointy, very, the tip is very pointy, and it's not flimsy. You know what I mean? Like there's not like fibers that are sticking out. Everything is compacted. So I got this from Amazon. I think I paid like $8. And then let me show you this. Okay, so for Christmas, I got this exact thing, okay, for a present, okay. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewy Skin Routine. All full size. They are $60 if I'm not mistaken, or $65. Okay, and you get full size. You get the mask, and then you get the niacinamide dewdrops. Then you get the PHA and BHA toner, and then you get the moisturizer, okay? Well, I got a $25 Sephora gift card, and then they were giving an extra 20% off of what you, the clearance, the sale price at Sephora. So I ordered 3 things. It ended up costing me $44, this one. And I loved it so much that I had to get it for a backup. That's how much I really love Glow Recipe. It's been very impressive. I've also gotten at TJ Maxx other things from their line, like that moisturizer, a little one for $12. And then the avocado cleanser I got there as well. And I think there was something else that I got. But I'm really loving that line. My skin is dry, and that line seems to really help it and doesn't dry out my skin. So I got this. That's how come when I got this, and it's a night one, a night moisturizer, I was very, very happy with it. So anyways, that is it. I'm a little disappointed in my first box, only in the fact that I didn't get what I paid for. So now I got to go figure out how they are with their customer service. I hope they're good because I do know I ordered that primer, and I was kind of looking forward to it, to be honest. Let me just share with you my lippy because I know people always ask, what lipstick are you wearing? So I got this also for Christmas. This is the Charlotte Tilbury little duo here. And it's the Pillow Talk Fair Lip Cheat. Is that the color Fair or Pillow Talk? Anyway, I got the liner, and then I got the lipstick. I like it. Very nude, pinky nude, but I like it. I like it. So anyways, that is everything, you guys. Yeah, that's it. So let me go figure out what I could do for what I bought. I know this is not full size, so, and I don't know if they throw in little things anyway, but I know this is not what I ordered. Didn't make an add-on on that. Does that make sense? I know that wasn't what I had added on. Okay, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in my next Ipsy box unboxing. Talk to you soon.